Today, we're talking about the 10 essential items every single one of you should have in your homes. Being prepared for anything is a different kind of awesome. Stick with me till the end because we're diving deep into each of these items. Let's do this. Let's kick things off in the kitchen, the heart of every home where magic happens and delicious meals are created. Basic cooking ingredients like salt, pepper, oil, and a few spices are essential. These humble items are the building blocks of countless recipes, transforming simple dishes into culinary masterpieces. Having these on hand means you're always ready to whip up a quick meal. Whether it's a busy weeknight or a lazy Sunday afternoon, a well-stocked pantry is your best friend. Imagine getting home from a long day, starving, but the fridge is bare. It's a scenario we all dread. But fear not. With a few basic ingredients, you can still create something satisfying and delicious. With basic ingredients, you can throw together a simple pasta dish, a quick stir-fry, or scrambled eggs. These dishes are not only quick and easy, but also incredibly versatile. Add some garlic, a pinch of chili flakes, or a dash of soy sauce, and you've got a meal that's bursting with flavor. And hey, you might discover your hidden culinary talent. Experimenting with different spices and herbs can be a fun and rewarding experience. Who knows, you might just create your signature dish. Having these basics not only makes life easier, but also saves money. Cooking at home is often cheaper than dining out or ordering takeout. Plus, it's a great way to control what goes into your food, ensuring it's healthy and nutritious. No more last-minute takeout orders or expensive grocery runs. With a well-stocked pantry, you can plan your meals ahead of time, reducing food waste and saving money in the long run. Stock up those pantries and get ready to unleash your inner chef. With the right ingredients at your fingertips, the possibilities are endless. So, what are you waiting for? Start your culinary journey today and spice up your life. Now let's talk knives. A good set of kitchen knives is a must-have for any home cook. A chef's knife, a paring knife, and a serrated knife are essential. A sharp, high-quality knife makes prepping food easier and faster. A dull knife is more likely to slip and cause an accident. Investing in good knives is an investment in your safety and sanity. There are plenty of affordable options out there. Handle your knives with care and store them properly. Upgrade to a set that will make you feel like a culinary rock star. Cooking with bad cookware is like running a marathon in flip-flops. High-quality cookware is essential for any home chef. We're talking pots and pans that heat evenly and are durable. No more warped bottoms or unevenly cooked food. Good cookware doesn't have to be expensive. It's an investment that will last for years if you take care of it. Imagine searing a steak to perfection or making a creamy risotto. Ditch those old, scratched-up pans and upgrade to a set that will make you feel like a culinary genius. Let's move on from the kitchen and talk about a reliable toolkit. A set of screwdrivers, a hammer, a wrench, pliers, a tape measure, a level, and duct tape are essential. Things break around the house. It's a fact of life. Having a toolkit means you can handle minor repairs yourself. Picture a loose screw, a leaky faucet, or a picture frame that needs hanging. Grab your trusty toolkit and become the hero of your own home. Invest in a good quality toolkit and be the master of your domain. Let's talk about safety for a minute. Accidents happen. It's a part of life. Having a well-stocked first aid kit in your home is non-negotiable. We're talking bandages, antiseptic wipes, pain relievers, gauze, and antibiotic ointment. Imagine your kid takes a tumble, or you get a nasty cut while doing yard work. Instead of panicking, you calmly grab your first aid kit and administer care. A well-stocked first aid kit can be a lifesaver in an emergency. Get yourself a first aid kit, learn how to use it, and be prepared for anything life throws your way. We all have those days where cooking feels like a chore. After a long day at work or running errands, the last thing you want to do is spend time in the kitchen preparing a meal from scratch. That's where ready-to-eat food comes in handy. These convenient options are perfect for those moments when you need something quick and satisfying. Think canned goods like beans, tuna, or soup, instant oatmeal, granola bars, nuts, or pre-cooked rice pouches. These items are not only easy to prepare but also versatile, allowing you to mix and match to create a variety of meals. These are great options that can be stored at room temperature and require minimal preparation. You can keep them in your pantry for months, ensuring you always have a quick meal option available. Imagine getting home late from work, exhausted and starving. The thought of cooking a full meal feels overwhelming. Grab a can of soup, heat it up, and dinner is served in minutes. It's a simple solution that can make a big difference in your evening routine. Or maybe there's a power outage and you're stuck without a working stove. In such situations, ready-to-eat food can be a lifesaver. Having these items on hand saves time and energy and provides peace of mind. You know that no matter what happens, you have a reliable source of nourishment. Ready-to-eat food isn't just for emergencies. It's also great for quick snacks or meals when you're entertaining guests or spending time with family. From healthy snack choices to more indulgent treats, there's a ready-to-eat option for every taste and dietary preference. Whether you're looking for something nutritious or just a quick bite to satisfy your hunger, these foods have got you covered. They are also perfect for on-the-go situations, like packing for a trip or an outdoor adventure. Ready-to-eat food ensures you have access to convenient and tasty meals no matter where you are. The convenience and reliability of ready-to-eat food can significantly reduce stress and make meal preparation a breeze. So, next time you're feeling overwhelmed or pressed for time, remember the power of ready-to-eat food. Let's talk about the elixir of life water. Staying hydrated is essential for our health and well-being, especially during emergencies. Having a stash of bottled water in your home is non-negotiable. At least a gallon of water per person per day for at least 3 days. Imagine a natural disaster, and the water supply is compromised. Having bottled water ensures you and your loved ones can stay hydrated until the situation is resolved. A water filtration pitcher or water purification tablets are also good to have on hand. Let's talk about keeping our homes clean and healthy. Having a decent vacuum cleaner is a game changer. A vacuum cleaner with serious suction power can handle pet hair, crumbs, and other debris. A clean home is a happy home, and a good vacuum cleaner makes maintaining a healthy living environment easier. Imagine expecting guests and wanting to give your home a quick clean. A good vacuum cleaner will make quick work of dust bunnies and crumbs. Or maybe you have pets. A powerful vacuum cleaner will make light work of pet hair. Keep your home fur-free and smelling fresh. We rely on batteries for just about everything. Constantly buying disposable batteries is wasteful and expensive. Having a set of rechargeable batteries is a smart move. AA, AAA, and 9-volt rechargeable batteries can be recharged hundreds of times. Imagine the batteries in your TV remote die right in the middle of your favorite show. Swap them out with your trusty rechargeable ones. Or maybe your child's favorite toy stops working. Grab your rechargeable batteries and save the day. You're a hero, and you didn't even have to leave the house. Let's get serious for a minute and talk about safety. It's something we often overlook until it's too late, but taking a few simple steps can make a world of difference. Safety should always be our top priority. Whether you're living alone, with family, or with roommates, ensuring that your home is equipped with essential safety devices is crucial. 2 of the most important safety items you can have in your home are a working smoke detector and a fire extinguisher. These devices are not just for show, they play a critical role in protecting you and your loved ones. A smoke detector is your first line of defense against a fire. It can detect smoke long before you might notice it, giving you an early warning that could be the difference between life and death. It will alert you to the presence of smoke, giving you valuable time to evacuate safely. This early warning is crucial, especially during the night when everyone is asleep. Make sure you have a smoke detector on every level of your home. This includes the basement and attic, as fires can start in the most unexpected places. Test them regularly to ensure they're working properly. A good rule of thumb is to check them once a month and replace the batteries at least once a year. Having a fire extinguisher on hand can mean the difference between a small fire and a major disaster. It's not just about having one, it's about knowing how to use it effectively. Familiarize yourself with how to use it properly. Remember the pass technique. Pull the pin, aim the nozzle at the base of the fire, squeeze the handle, and sweep from side to side. Having these safety devices can save lives. They are your first line of defense in an emergency, providing you with the tools you need to act quickly and effectively. Don't wait until it's too late. Make sure your home is equipped with these essential safety items today. That's it for my 10 essential items everyone should have in their homes. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Being prepared isn't about living in fear. It's about having peace of mind. What are some of the essential items you always make sure to keep in your home? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Stay safe, everybody.